Okay guys, 2019 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. This is a clean title. Trade in at one of the bigger dealerships. Just has some higher miles, 132,000. Does have the little bumper crack there. Hood is popped right now, so let's take a look at that. 3.5. So this does have the TV screens in the back. Adaptive cruise. Massage seats. I believe this will have the trailer package. Heavy duty, heated cooled seats. All your different drive modes, auto hold, park assist. Wireless charging here. Backup camera, 360, heated steering wheel. Apple CarPlay. Ambient lighting. Massage. It does have the big panoramic sunroof. Power folding mirrors with blind spots. Seat's pretty clean. Heated seats here in the rear. You have a screen here. You can
cash buyer
control. See, this screen has been having some problems, so I'm not sure it's working. Do have one screen working. Three seats there in the back. So 7 passenger. Got a tow package underneath here. It's got your all-weather floor mat. Looks like those are all the front ones, so it looks like it does have floor mats. Power running boards. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.